So this is the finished product of the center console. I spray painted black. This is the blue it had on before, and this is the black. It turned out pretty okay. I'm satisfied. The paint's kind of uneven in some places, but that's okay. I can always go back and fix it. But yeah, I did order a cloth for the e-brake boot and for the shift boot, and I will be making another video on how to you know, kind of make your own, custom make your own, whichever cloth you choose to use. But yeah, it will involve sewing, so I mean, I think I will have a sewing machine by then. But yeah, other than that, it turned out pretty okay. I'm satisfied. I just didn't want the blue to stand out from the rest of the interior. So yep. If you haven't already, leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Have a good day.